Bakit ka umalis? Why did you leave? Bakit sila nandito? Why are they here? Bakit gusto mong malaman? Why do you like to know? Bakit madaming kalat dito? Why is there so many clutter here? Bakit ka ba nagtatanong? Why are you asking? Bakit kausap mo siya? Why are you talking to him? Bakit malungkot ka? Why are you sad? Bakit sila nag-aaway? Why are they fighting? Bakit wala pa ang mga bisita natin? Why our visitors aren't here yet? Sinabi mo ba kung bakit ka umalis? Did you say why you leave? Tinatanong ko kung bakit siya umalis. I am asking him why he left. Bakit maraming tao rito? Why there are too many people here? Bakit mo ako pinili at hindi siya? Why did you choose me, not her? Bakit mo ba ako tinatanong? Why are you asking me? Maraming dahilan kung bakit ako umayaw. There are too many reasons why I quit. Bakit ka nagbitaw sa trabaho? Why did you quit your job? Bakit ayaw mong magsalita? Why don't you like to talk? Bakit ka ba sumasabat sa usapan namin? Why are you interrupting our conversation? Bakit madami kang dalang damit? Why did you bring a lot of clothes? Bakit ka ba nagmamadali? Why are you in a hurry? Bakit mo tinapon ang tira? Why did you throw the leftover? Bakit ba palagi ka nalang galit? Why are you always angry? Bakit ka umalis ng maaga? Why did you leave early? Bakit ayaw mo sa kanya? Why don't you like him? Bakit mo piniling mangibang bansa? Why do you choose to go abroad? Bakit mo nasabi yan? Why did you say that? Bakit ka bumili ng ari-arian? Why did you buy properties? Bakit mo ito ginawa sa akin? Why did you do this to me? Bakit ka nagpapaalam? Why are you saying goodbye? Bakit ginabi ka na ng uwi? Why did you go home late? Bakit sila nandito? Why are they here? Bakit ka bumili ng bulaklak? Why did you buy flowers? Bakit sinama mo siya rito? Why did you bring him here? Bakit ang saya-saya mo? Why are you so happy? Bakit wala ka rito? Saan ka pumunta? Why aren't you here? Where did you go? Bakit hindi mo alam? Why don't you know? Bakit hindi ka sumama sa amin? Why don't you come with us? Bakit sira ang relo mo? Why is your watch broken? Bakit hindi mo makita? Why can't you see? Bakit mo sinabi sa kanya? Why did you tell her? Bakit ginawa mo ito sa kanya? Why did you do this to her? Bakit ito ang pinili mo? Why did you choose this? Bakit walang may alam nito? Why nobody knows about this? Bakit ka umiiyak? May nangyari ba? Why are you crying? Did something happen? Bakit sobrang sakit ng nararamdaman ko? Why do I feel so much pain? Bakit hindi ka pumunta kaagad? Why didn't you come right away? Bakit mo ba ginagawa ito? Why are you doing this? Bakit ka ba nagtitiis dito? Why are you putting up with this? Bakit walang gustong bumili? Why nobody likes to buy? Bakit mo ito kailangan? Why do you need this? Bakit mo ako sinisigawan? Why are you yelling at me? Bakit mo ako sinisisi? Why are you blaming me? Bakit hindi ka pa nag-aasawa? Why are you not married yet? Bakit ngayon mo lang sinabi? Why did you just say it now? Bakit lagi kang wala? Why are you always absent? Bakit ayaw mong umuwi? Why don't you want to go home? Bakit ba palagi kang tinatamad? Why are you always feel lazy? Bakit ayaw mong samantalahin ang pagkakataon? Why don't you take advantage of the opportunity? Bakit wala kang ganang kumain? Why don't you feel like eating? Bakit siya nakipagtalo sa'yo? Why did he argue with you? Bakit hindi mo ako kinakausap? Why aren't you talking to me? Bakit hindi mo siya kausapin? Why don't you talk to her? Bakit hindi mo tinanggap ang alok niya? Why didn't you accept his offer? Bakit hindi mo sinabi ang totoo? Why didn't you tell the truth? Bakit ayaw mo sa bahay na yan? Why don't you like that house? Bakit ka ba nagtatago sa kanya? Why are you hiding from her? Bakit hindi mo siya tanungin? Why don't you ask her? Bakit ka ba naiinis sa akin? Why are you upset with me? Bakit mo kinuha yan? Why did you take that? Bakit ba ayaw mong matulog? Why don't you like to sleep? Bakit ayaw mong mag-ibang bansa? Why don't you like to go abroad? Bakit ka ba tanong ng tanong? Why do you keep on asking? Bakit hindi mo sinabi sa akin? Why you didn't tell me? Bakit lagi kang nandito? Why are you always here? Bakit nasa iyo ang hikaw ko? Why do you have my earring? Bakit bigla ka na lang naglaho? Why did you disappear so suddenly? Bakit gusto mong maging isang modelo? Why do you like to be a model? Bakit hindi mo siya harapin? Why don't you face him? Bakit wala kang kaibigan? Why don't you have friends? Bakit mo siya kilala? Why do you know her? Bakit hindi mo ako maalala? Why don't you remember me? Bakit hindi mo ako tinawagan? Why didn't you call me? Bakit ayaw mo sa kanilang lahat? Why don't you like all of them?